Hi, my name is Gina Reyes and I am the newly hired HR director. So by my knowledge, there have been multiple unstructured interviews occurring in the hiring process. So we're going to do some problem identification with issues in the current unstructured interviews. So with the unstructured interviews, there is low reliability, meaning different interviews are happening, asking various questions, leading to an inconsistency in evaluations. So that means each candidate is being asked different questions as to the same questions for every candidate to make sure they're all in fairness. Poor validity. Unstructured interviews have a limited ability to predict future job performances for the employee process and hiring. There's also the bias and subjectivity. Decisions often influenced by first impressions or irrelevant factors, and there's also legal risks that can occur in these problems. However, we'll go ahead and get into that later. For a structured interview solution, key steps to create a better solution for a structured interview would be doing a job analysis, which is identifying critical tasks, skills, and competencies for each tech role, or even a question development, develop behavioral and situational questions linked to these competencies. Rating and skills, use standardized scoring rubrics for responses to enhance objectivity, so you can see this person, I would rank them a 9, or this employee, I would rank them a 5 in the evaluation overall, as the overall score for their interview. Additional assessments for tech positions would be cognitive ability tests, technical skills assessments, or even personality assessments. To go a little bit into a cognitive ability test would just measure problem solving, logical reasoning, learning ability, things like that, to make sure that they're mentally up for the role and they can handle any problem solving skills that occur in the job. For technical skills assessments, coding tests, simulations, or even work samples tailored to specific technology used in the programs that they may be applying for. Personality assessments just identify if they're really good at teamwork, orientation, hold responsibility, and can take a leadership role. Implementing a strategy, you can do an effectiveness evaluation where analyzing correlations between selection measures and employees' success, and continuous improvement, adjust instruments based on data and stakeholder. Legal consideration would be making sure everything is fair, accessibility, consistent procedures, and adverse impact monitoring. So make sure everything in the workplace is all fair and up to date. Make sure all rules are being followed and no employees are receiving any special treatment. Make sure follow every legal task that is being given in the workplace to prevent any lawsuits from occurring from the task. So thank you.